Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to retrieve deleted messages on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to retrieve your deleted WhatsApp messages, first of all, you need to make sure that you have enabled the backup option on WhatsApp. For that, you need to go to your settings. Here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now choose settings from here. In this page, here you can see this chat option. Tap on it. Now over here you can see the chat backup option. Tap on it. You need to make sure that you have selected at least one Google account to back up your chats. If you want to back up all the chats right now, you can even tap on this backup option. Also, here you can see this frequency option. Tap on it. From here you can select when you want to back up your messages, whether it be daily, weekly or monthly. After that, you need to uninstall this WhatsApp app. It won't delete any of your messages because you have already selected the backup option. Again, reinstall the WhatsApp app. Once the app is installed again, tap on open. Now, log in with the same account as before. Enter the number of your previous account. Now it will be looking for backups as we have selected the Google account to back up our chats before. So it will retrieve our deleted WhatsApp messages from this Google account. You can just tap on this restore button. After that, tap on next. And there you go. Your deleted WhatsApp messages will be retrieved in your account safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.